How to find live wallpaper preferences settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find live wallpaper preferences settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find wallpaper. Here click on it and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and as you see here you will find live wallpaper preferences settings, and you can manage here anything you want. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.